Okay, hello everyone. So to be able to use the LAYGO2 Docker that Aquiles made, first you're gonna have to clone the thing, of course, and then you're gonna need three things actually. So first you're going to need an installation of Docker Desktop. So you can search that on Google and you can probably um, see the look for the download, and I'll probably link it in the description as well. But you're gonna need to be Docker Desktop to actually start. Sometimes it's going to complain about not having a Windows subsystem for Linux 2 or WSL2. So you may also have to download WSL2 from this website from Microsoft. So you're gonna need to enable the Windows subsystem for Linux, and then um, you're going to need to download the WSL2 update from this website as well. So this link is where you download WSL2, and then you're gonna need to set the WSL version to 2, and then Docker is going to stop complaining about it, and open it should open in this way. So at first it shouldn't have any containers if you're working with a fresh installation. But after that, you're also going to need to download and install an X server for Windows, which is the most popular one is VcXsrv. So I'm going to link that in the description as well. But you're going to use X launch, which makes it easy to launch the X server for Windows. Set this display number to 0, no client, and then disable access control. So all of these need to be checked, and then it should launch the X server over here. And then after those two are running, so Docker Desktop and X server have to be running, you can then run startx.bat under the LAYGO2 Docker clone that you made, and then once that's up, you should be able to use um, the Docker image. So here I can go inside the LAYGO2 reduced workspace, and then I can start Magic. So here I've started Magic, and then I can source the LAYGO2 examples. Sorry, wrong directory. So I can run source on one of these. I'll run it on DFF2X, and it should show right here. And yeah, there's the generated. So LAYGO2 will be running inside this container, and you should go look at Hyungju's sample workflow if you want to see how LAYGO2 works. Basically that's it. This Docker container also contains KLayout in it, which is great. So yeah,